Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Instant Pot Parmesan chicken pasta. Alright guys, I'm starting out with my Instant Pot. I have it set on saute high and it's hot. I'm going to start by adding in a little bit of olive oil into the pot. I'm going to go for about 2 tablespoons. Now I have roughly 2 pounds of chicken here. It's a chicken breast that I cut up in cubes. I'm going to get that down in there and start frying it in the oil. And Dexter's in there just chatting away, guys. And I'm going to season this while it's frying. I'll spread it out. I'm going to add in 3 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. And I'm just eyeballing this, guys. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of paprika. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of salt. A teaspoon of garlic powder. And these measurements are pretty much all the same. And a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Okay guys, I'm going to stir this around and incorporate the spices into the chicken. And I'm just going to allow this to saute for a little bit till the chicken browns up. Okay, now that my chicken is sauteed for a little while, it's not completely sauteed, browned up. Dexter, I'm in here doing a video, buddy. I have a small onion I diced up. We're going to get that in with the chicken and allow that to saute in with the chicken for a few minutes. That way that'll get nice and translucent and the chicken will start to brown up for us. Okay guys, I know my chicken sauteed for a while and it's starting to brown up and my onions turn translucent. I'm going to turn off the saute feature and I'm going to add in 3 cups of chicken broth. This is a 4-cup container, so I'm just going to eyeball it. Okay, that seems about right. I'm going to stir this and scrape the bottom of the pan to deglaze it. That way if there's anything on there, we won't get a burn notice, because Instant Pots will give you that if something's burning on the bottom of your pot. Okay, that's looking good. Now I'm going to take a 1-pound box or 16-ounce box of pasta. I'm using rotini. You can use any kind of pasta you like. And I'm going to add this into the chicken broth. And guys, I think I'm just going to go ahead and dump that extra cup of chicken broth in there for 4 cups, because that pasta will drink that up. So that's a total of 4 cups of chicken broth, guys. And I'm just going to push my pasta down into the chicken broth. And we're done with this spoon now, because this here has raw chicken juice on it. We don't want to use it again. Now I'm going to put my lid down on the pressure cooker. Make sure we're set on seal. And I'm going to set my pressure cooker for 9 minutes. That would be the lowest recommended cooking time on the pasta box, because in a pressure cooker it will cook quicker than in a pot. So I'm going to go for 9 minutes. That'll get it nice and tender. Not al dente. If you want al dente, I do it for about 7 minutes, but I like mine a little tender. So when my 9 minutes are up, I'll do a quick release of the pressure. Alright guys, now that my time's up and I did that quick release of the pressure, I'm going to add in roughly 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'm going to get that down in the bottom there so it can start to melt. I'm also going to add in 2 ounces of cream cheese, breaking that up so it melts down in there. Yes, Dexter, I'm making supper. Alright guys, and if you let your butter and your cream cheese warm up to room temperature, it'll melt quicker for you. My butter was frozen and my cream cheese was refrigerated, so it's going to take just a little bit longer. Okay, I'm just going to nestle that down in there and let that sit for just now. Now I'm going to add in roughly about a cup of heavy cream. Okay, that's about a cup. Give that a stir. And I'm scraping the spices off the side of my Instant Pot that got cooked up on there. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on a saute setting to bring it up to a gentle boil to help melt my butter and that cream cheese down in there. I also have a cup of fresh grated Parmesan cheese here. We're going to get this down in there. Okay, I'm going to bring this up to a gentle boil. Let it go just for a minute or so. That'll melt my cheese, the cream cheese, and the butter. Alright guys, this is ready to go. My cheese is all melted. Cream cheese and butter's all melted. Now if you want it a little thicker, you would turn it off and just let it sit for about 10 minutes and that'll thicken up. But I don't mind it like this. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I went ahead and hit that with a little bit of parsley for some extra color. Let me go ahead and try this. Try some chicken. It's nice and tender. Picked up the seasonings I put on. It tastes really delicious. I'll try some pasta here. It's really nice and creamy, cheesy, well seasoned as well. Okay, there you have it. Instant Pot Parmesan Chicken Pasta. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you.